Yo, stocks 5150. My mic wasn't plugged up. My mic was nice. Check one. Today is February 17th. Time is 20. No, time is 09:15. We got 15 minutes before the market opens. Hmm. Let's see. We done had some ADP. We had some YOLO trades. You know what I'm saying? We did okay. I got my Fibonacci. I broke that back out. So let's look at this on the 4 hour with Fib. See where it at. See, you got just keep it with the Fib. So this is the 4 hour. I'm on the 4 hour chart right now, and this is back from the 12th. So this is the new high, the new low on our way down. This move right here on the 4 hour. This started back here on the 12th, so 5 days ago. And where are we sitting at? We're sitting at the bottom. Crazy, right? We're at the bottom of this move. So we have been dropping, bro, for real. I mean, nothing else to say. Even if we take this up here, you ain't got to. I ain't got to move the field. You can see we at the bottom. This right here was the lowest part. Look at this. This is where we've been. But look, this is all the way back to what month this is? October. We're in the same range that we always been right here. So we're in the bottom half of this range now. So considering we're at the bottom half of this range, we broke it once and we broke it twice. We could go back below. I mean, I don't know. We'll see. So let's go down here. Let's see what the 1 hour looks like right quick. On the 1 hour, this is the move. Boom. Came back up. Let's see. Let's get this filled. Let me see. Slide this over here. Put that right there like that. So on the 1 hour, same move. And right there. So in the 1 hour, we're at the bottom half of the range. Same as the 4 hour. So what we'll probably have happen, hope maybe, I don't know, because we don't know what the market's gonna do. But what we would like to see is not well, unless you're short. If you're bearish, we can keep on going down. That's perfectly fine. But if let's see, looking over here, 1 second. Looking over here at the chart, we got a lot of 24/6 down here at the bottom. Okay, that's where we at. Yeah, so we got a lot of orders down below. So we might could pull back down to 24,590 or so. 24,590 to the downside. So 24,590 to the downside. To the upside, we we've been trying overnight. But if we can get here to 24,700. I I don't today is a short week and I don't see anything that I don't see anything that'll be making the market pop up. Not right now. It's second half of February also, which is usually bearish. You got Iran over here firing missiles into the Strait of Hormuz and a drill. It's a new round of nuclear talks begin. Yeah, let's see. But what we got? Market stuff for the U.S. Nothing. ADP weekly employment change. We got a yellow folder. Um, for that. Oh, and that was at 8:15. So that was a 10.3. 10.3. What was it last week? Let me see what was it. ADP was last Thursday. All right, ADP employment change was 6 point. Oh boy. Tuesday last week, ADP weekly employment change was 6.5. 6.5 thousand. This week, let's see. Unemployment claims was 227,000, so they went They changed it to 10,000. So let's see, what does that mean? Today unemployment change at 8:15. This is ADP unemployment change was 10,000. What exactly does that mean? Let's see, what does that mean? February 10th was 6,000. January 7, January 13th 11, previous 5, previous 6, previous 11. So it says 4 weeks into January 31st, U.S. private employers added an average of 10,000 jobs per week. So, so we adding some jobs. That's for January. Adding jobs means maybe rate cuts. No, or no rate cuts. I don't know. I don't know. We'll see what happens. See how the market reacts. But as far as the United States goes, we don't have much going on today. No, we don't have much data today or tomorrow. I won't, yeah. Hmm. Might be able to pop up and get back up for Thursday. What earnings do we got? Let's see. Let's see. So earnings whisper. Let's see what earnings has. I mean, we already got. I think we got through tech. Yeah, we got through the tech earnings. We got through the banks. Let's see what we got. We got earnings for the week of February 16th. We got Walmart. Okay, that might make something swing. Um, Carvana. It looks like today is Tuesday. We have. Let's see. So today we have for Tuesday before the open Medtronic, Vulcan. Yeah, this looks like more like consumer stuff, or what is that called? Yeah, consumer. Everything's consumer. Toll Brothers. That's for the houses. That used to matter. First Energy. That might matter. Tomorrow we have Moody's and we have Fiverr. We have Constant. I don't know what it is. Pro Petro. Carvana will be tomorrow after the close. eBay. Equinox Gold. Thursday, before the open, is Walmart. Walmart is the big dog. They'll also be there with Texas Roadhouse used to matter. And what else we got? Then Friday, Felix, and that's it. That's boom, reposts. So maybe the earnings won't have much factor. So this might just be all up to us. We either gonna go down because they selling off, because there's been a lot of selling off. Um, you know, tax time. People got to get that money, pay them taxes. Which fucking is real. Paying taxes is real, bro. Paying taxes is real. Even writing off losses is real. Because the only way you can write something is off if you made something right or you did something. So let's get back to the charts. On the 1 hour, look like we're just sitting here. We got us a this range right here from We're still sitting there. Let's see the high 24,671, the low 611. That's 50, 40, 60 points. We're at 48, so we're in the middle right now. Go down to the 15 minute. 15 minute, we're pushing up. On the 15 minute, we have crossed the 14, and we're heading up towards the 48. Probably gonna get a resistance when we hit that. Yeah. Overall downtrend still below the 200 though, so longs beware. So if I do any longs, I gotta be cautious because we could only go from, say, what is this, 44 to 69. Let's do one. Nah, we got 4 minutes to the market opens. I'm not doing nothing. No risky, crazy stuff. Chill out. See, look at that. You come to the 5 minute and we're turning. The 5 minute, we're up here at the 200 and we have met rejection there. One, two, three, 4 times. And see, we're curling. More than likely, we're going to drop. More than likely, we're going to drop. This is pushing up, but still bearish at the moment. Goolsby warns that service inflation remains uncontrolled. Uncontrolled. So they back talking about inflation again. They stay talking about inflation. Stay talking about inflation, man. Let's see. Yep. See, pushing down. So we're curling back down on 5. Let's see, looking like in the 1. Yeah. So pulling back, we'll probably come back down into this level, but market will be open in 2 minutes. Probably come back down, touch the 200. This could be over here on the 1 minute. It looks like it could be bullish. We could push up to, what was the overnight high? Overnight high overnight high was here, like 24,729. So it could come to the overnight high. But we're gonna tap, sit and watch and see. We got the 700 and we gave it up. So that was a lower high. So overnight high was 730 and we went to 700 and turned around. So that's the lower high. So that's what we gotta watch for. Upside, downside, well, it can go as low as it wants to go. All right, 29. Just keeping it tight right there. It could be forming like a bull flag. Some could take off. Um, so 1 minute left. 1 minute left for the market opens. We're gonna not do anything. We're gonna be disciplined. We're gonna see $40 a day today, and something else we're gonna see. We're gonna see if we can do what's that word called? We're gonna see if we can do oh, not trade for the first 5 minutes. See if we can. Hey, we running. What we got? What we got? What we got? What we got? First minute. First minute. It started. Nope. Nope. Look at that. Bam. Giving it back. Starting off fighting. It's a battle. It's a battle. We don't know what we want to do. Don't know what to do. So pretty good range right there. What is the range on that candle? On the first 1 minute candle? 679 to 624. 50-point range. 50-point range. Boom. This is the 1 minute. All right. So we're pushing up over the 1 minute. So we're still hanging out right here in the bottom, right here in the middle. Right, so you gotta be quick. If you hopping in early like this, you gotta be quick. I mean, it was money to be made. There it is to the upside. All right, so the N1, that's up at the top. So pulling back. That's a big pullback right here. I'm actually playing a 1 minute candle, which is insane, but I did it, and I think I got in. I got it way too late, apparently. Let's see if we can stay above. Stay above. Nope. All right, here we go. See if we can get back up. 711. This one right here was the high was 713. We got that at 711. 680. 711 is what we're looking for. Feeling good. Get some gas. Let's go. 37. The pop. Hey, hey, that boy good. That boy good. That's it. We done for today. You see? What's that? 185 on the day. Let's go. Let's go. Guess what? I'm logging off, dog. I got shit to do. It feels good. I don't believe that's 185. I think they counting something else, though. I think I must have did something else. Let's see, because that was one. Two. Oh, wait a minute. They counting 2 days. Today is the 17th. Switch here, switch there. Yeah, see, they still count my stuff for the 16th. Let's not do that. 50 bucks. That's what we got. 50 bucks. Let's go. All right. Stocks 5150, yo. Stocks crazy. In and out. What did we do? We did that in 1 minute. 1 minute. $40 a day is all I need. Just came here, sat down, got 50. Guess what? Y'all have a great day. Enjoy your life. And I'm out. Peace. Look at that. It's running now, dog. It's running. Let's go. What's the 5 minute? Let's see, what's the 5 minute now? Now that's the 1 minute range. Oh man, that's nasty. Yeah, I like that. Boom. Like I said, we ain't got no whole lot of news or data, so making that money. So I played that one off the 1 minute. For talk about it, I played that one off the 1 minute candle. And when it broke that 1 minute high, I went in, kind of pulled back, but I played to the upper part of that wick, got $50. You know what I'm saying? So stocks 51.50. Stocks are crazy. That's it for the live, yo. I ain't saying nothing else. Y'all have a good day. Y'all be safe.